3, 2, 1, launch. That's all good getting. Are you satisfied? This is the site engineer who will take you through and just give you a brief. The photographer inside, but he has no helmet.
The noise you are hearing, that is the fan system. Basically inside here, we have two equipment. This one here is called equipment. That is the best one processor. Whereby if you're making a call, it's the one that gives you the signal which is received on your phone. It's possible that we can change the fortunes of our young ones and build better human resources.
Well, lastly, any support that is being given directly to these institutions?
The support we are giving, we have a partnership with the UNICEF that we are giving across the country. We have connected over 130 schools in this country. 4 of them are in Lango. I mentioned them, that is Achaba SS, we have Amwa Comprehensive, we have Otwala, we have Icheme Girls. To ensure, and we're doing monthly, we're paying for monthly connection of these schools to ensure that they are delivering on that policy. And we'll continue to do that. Over 42,000 students under that partnership are accessing internet. 1,800 teachers are also accessing. In Lira also, we are supporting the public library. We are providing internet at the public library to ensure that youth that are out of school have access to the internet. They are learning, they are able to use those skills within their jobs, whether they are in trade, whether they are in entertainment, whether they are in plumbing, electrical. The public library is open, it's a public resource, and our commitment is that we shall continue to provide internet at the public library to ensure that people who are seeking information at the public library, they do it for free because they are near us.
Your name once again?
My name is David.